Welcome back to Aries Communication. Today we're taking a look at one of the most powerful upcoming flagship killers from Xiaomi, the Redmi K90 Pro Max. This device is shaping up to be an absolute monster in terms of performance, display quality, and battery power. Starting with the display, the K90 Pro Max is expected to feature a stunning 6.78-inch AMOLED panel with a blazing fast 144Hz refresh rate and a sharp 1.5K or higher resolution. With peak brightness touching up to 4000 nits, this screen is made for outdoor visibility, gaming, and smooth multimedia use. Under the hood, the phone is powered by the next-generation Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset paired with up to 24 GB of RAM. This level of performance puts it in the top tier of Android devices, making multitasking, gaming, and heavy apps unbelievably smooth. Storage options go up to 1 TB using UFS 4.0, ensuring fast read and write speeds. On the camera front, the K90 Pro Max brings a powerful 200MP main sensor, a 50MP ultrawide lens, and a 64MP periscope telephoto with up to 5x optical zoom. The 32MP selfie shooter gives excellent clarity for vlogs and social media content. The battery section is equally impressive. It packs a huge 6000 mAh battery, supported by 120W or even 150W fast charging, along with 50W wireless charging. This means all-day endurance with ultra-fast top-ups. You also get flagship-level features like an in-display fingerprint scanner, dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, advanced 5G, Wi-Fi 7, NFC, and Xiaomi's next-gen HyperOS based on Android 15. Now, for the expected pricing. In the United States, expected at $899, and in Europe, around €849. The Redmi K90 Pro Max is ready to redefine value in the flagship space. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Aries Communication for more amazing tech and sound reviews every week.